Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Shamareko with a new interesting video. In today's video I will explain how Bluetooth technology works. Bluetooth technology operates on the 2.4 GHz ISM, industrial, scientific and medical, band, which is a license-free frequency band that is available for use in many countries around the world. Within this frequency band, Bluetooth uses frequency hopping spread spectrum, FHSS, to avoid interference from other wireless devices that also operate on the 2.4 GHz band. The Bluetooth specification defines 40 different frequency channels within the 2.4 GHz band. Bluetooth devices hop between these channels at a rate of 1,600 hops per second to reduce the impact of interference. This frequency hopping technique helps to ensure that Bluetooth devices can operate reliably even in areas with a high density of other wireless devices operating in the same frequency band. Bluetooth technology is a wireless communication protocol that allows devices to communicate with each other over short distances. Here's how it works. Pairing. The first step in using Bluetooth is to pair two devices. This is done by putting both devices in pairing mode, which allows them to search for and discover each other. Connecting. Once the two devices have been paired, they can then establish a connection. This connection is established using radio waves, which allow the devices to communicate with each other. Transmitting data. Once the devices are connected, they can then transmit data back and forth. This data can be anything from music or pictures to files or even phone calls. Encryption. To ensure security and privacy, Bluetooth devices use encryption to protect the data being transmitted. This means that even if someone intercepts the data, they won't be able to read it. Power management. Bluetooth devices are designed to be energy efficient. They use low-power radio waves to transmit data, which means that they don't drain the battery of the device they are connected to. Overall, Bluetooth technology has made it easier than ever for devices to communicate with each other wirelessly. It has become an essential feature in many different types of devices, from smartphones to smart home devices. Bluetooth technology is widely used in a variety of devices, both for personal and commercial use. Here are some examples of Bluetooth devices. Smartphones and tablets. Almost all modern smartphones and tablets come with built-in Bluetooth functionality, which allows users to connect to other Bluetooth devices, such as speakers, headphones, or smartwatches. Wireless headphones and earbuds. Bluetooth headphones and earbuds are becoming increasingly popular as they provide a wireless and convenient way to listen to music or take phone calls without being tethered to a device. Smartwatches and fitness trackers. Many smartwatches and fitness trackers use Bluetooth to connect to smartphones or other devices and display notifications, track fitness data, or control music playback. Smart home devices. Bluetooth is used in many smart home devices, such as smart locks, thermostats, and lighting systems, to connect with other devices and allow users to control their homes using their smartphones or voice assistants. Automotive systems. Bluetooth is commonly used in car audio systems to allow drivers to stream music or take phone calls wirelessly. Gaming controllers. Bluetooth is used in many gaming controllers to connect to game consoles, PCs, or mobile devices, allowing gamers to play their favorite games without being tethered to a device. Overall, Bluetooth technology has become an essential feature in many different types of devices, providing users with a wireless and convenient way to connect and control their devices. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.